Hi, I'm Chuck Tomasi, Senior Developer Evangelist at ServiceNow with some great news. We've added localization to the following emergency response apps: Emergency Outreach, Emergency Self-Report, and Emergency Exposure Management. Now you can get these apps in translations for Brazilian Portuguese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Simplified Chinese, and Spanish. Additionally, documentation is being provided in French, German, Korean, and Japanese. If you plan to upgrade the emergency apps, remember to have the target language plugins installed before you upgrade the apps. Once you've got the needed languages installed, you simply upgrade the apps from the application page on your instance. These apps are available for Madrid, New York, and Orlando. Just be sure you're using the versions displayed here or later. For more information, visit our post on the ServiceNow community at the link displayed here. Thank you.